Hello and welcome back to Palakkad Roads and Rails. Welcome to another glimpse of Indian Railways from rural Kerala. Today we find ourselves at the delightful Muthalamada Railway Station, station code MMDA, nestled in Muthalamada South, just a stone's throw from Kollengode in Kerala's lush Palakkad district. It's now 8:15 a.m. and the air is alive with anticipation. By 8:30, the Chennai-Palakkad Express will thunder through, its rhythmic wheels singing a melody of distant cities. But for now, let's wander the platform, feel the gentle breeze, admire the vintage signage, and soak in every color and whisper of history here at Muthalamada. Stay tuned, because in just a few moments, you'll join us as the mighty express glides past, bridging past and present on this timeless stretch of rail. Muthalamada Railway Station lies between two key arterial roads that connect Kerala to Tamil Nadu. On one side, State Highway 27 SH27 runs from the Palakkad Collectorate right up to Meenakshipuram at the state boundary. On the other, State Highway 58 SH58 stretches 39 kilometers from Vadakancheri all the way to Pollachi. These highways bring travelers and traders through the countryside, making the station a beautiful crossroads of rail and road. This quaint little station, born in 1898, stands proudly on the Palakkad Pollachi line, that vital link weaving Kerala's emerald landscapes with the vibrant plains of Tamil Nadu. Managed by Southern Railway's Palakkad Division, Muthalamada sits 150 meters above sea level. Three humble platforms, three gleaming tracks, electrified single line, ready to welcome both passenger and express trains every day. Surrounded by paddy fields and swaying mango groves, after all, this is Kerala's very own mango city. Muthalamada is more than just tracks and timetables. It's a picture perfect backdrop that's captured the hearts of South Indian filmmakers again and again, gracing our screens as the quintessential village station. Sadly, only one train still stops here at Muthalamada nowadays, but we remain hopeful that Indian Railways will introduce new services along this route, calling at every village station. Such an initiative would be a boon for countless villagers commuting between Pollachi and Palakkad, opening up opportunities for work, education, and trade. Thank you for watching Palakkad Roads and Rails channel. Do come back often. See you soon.